The cables look really big. You know, these are about the size of my pinky in size. This is a 4-gauge copper welding cable. So this is oxygen-free copper, and it comes with ends that you can put on. So it comes with these large terminal ends, but I used it here. I used it up here on the switch. I've used it to come back to the distribution block, and I used the black version over here to come through all my current monitoring. And my inverter actually came with its own cables, which look to be roughly the same size. What's interesting about gauges, the higher the number, the smaller the wire and the less current that it can go. So when you're picking out wire for your installation, you want to find the right wire size based on the amps that you're going to run and the number of feet. So what we're seeing here on the left side is the amps that you're going to draw. So Windy Nation has different numbers though. So if you look across the top in this, if I know I'm going to use my full 1200 watts on my inverter and I'm only going to be going, let's say 2 to 4 feet, I have to use 4-gauge wire for this. So that's going to be, if you're looking on the screen here, that's going to be in this area here. So I can go up to 4 feet with 4-gauge wire. The other thing is, if I'm drawing 1200 watts at 12 volts, I'm going to be drawing close to that 100 amp maximum current discharge on this. One of the number one mistakes people make is not getting wire that's thick enough. So in our case, we wanted to get thick wire. We went with this.